Today we will be peeling, chopping, frying, mixing, drizzling with sauce. Today we are making a fresh shrimp salad with mango and avocado. This colorful and delicious dish combines tender shrimp, juicy fruits, fresh lettuce, and a creamy dressing. Let's start by preparing the garlic. Peel the cloves and get them ready for cooking. Finely chop the garlic. This will give the shrimp a beautiful aroma and rich flavor. Heat a frying pan and melt the butter until it becomes nice and creamy. Add the chopped garlic and gently sauté it for a few seconds until it becomes fragrant. Be careful not to burn it. Now add the shrimp and cook them in the garlic butter for about 2 to 3 minutes until they turn pink and tender. Season the shrimp with a little salt. Add some freshly ground black pepper to taste for extra flavor. Next, prepare the mango. Peel it carefully and remove the skin. Cut the mango into small cubes. Its sweetness will add a fresh, tropical touch to this salad. Now peel the avocado and prepare it for slicing. Chop the lettuce leaves into smaller pieces. They will create a fresh and crunchy base for our salad. Start assembling the salad. Place the lettuce as the first layer in a serving bowl. Add a layer of sweet and juicy mango cubes on top. Add another layer of fresh lettuce to balance the flavors. Cut the avocado into small cubes. Add the avocado as the next layer. Its creamy texture will make the salad even more delicious. Finally, place the garlic shrimp on top of the salad. For the dressing, combine mayonnaise, sour cream, and ketchup. Mix everything together until smooth and creamy. Drizzle the dressing over the salad, adding the perfect finishing touch. Sprinkle with sesame seeds if you like, and our fresh shrimp salad is ready to serve. Enjoy this colorful combination of flavors. For this dish, we will need the following ingredients: Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes.